Dude, I'm just gonna fucking try sight fishing this thing.
I wonder if you could. Can you see?
Oh my god.
You can see? Oh. Unfreaking believable.
Dude, get it. Stand over your hole.
Hold on. I'm gonna switch baits here real quick. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Hobson Outdoor YouTube channel. We are out here today with my buddy Gavin.
What's up?
We're out here on pretty thin early ice. I mean, she's still, what, a good 6 inches?
6 on the dot.
And we got the most ghetto rigged transducer setup you will ever find, but it works. So
Awesome.
more on that probably later in the video. But we've already got a mark on the bottom that we've seen, so we're gonna get right after it. I'll get you guys set up in the chest rig and we'll get jigging. All right, Gavin's got his first line down hole. I'm still messing around with stuff. That's all right. Let's see if we can get that mark to bite right away.
For the record, I am not a guide. I'm just a redneck who knows what he's doing. If that makes sense.
Or at least says so.
Fair enough. Oh. I got him.
Just a little perch.
It's something.
First fish through the ice this year, and I'm over here messing with my graph.
What's this? Oh, that's bigger. That might be a fucking wall.
It is a walleye. That's
First walleye of the season, bro.
That's a nice little walleye.
First walleye of the season. How about that?
Hell yeah.
Oh, that makes this trip fucking worth it. I think we're in the right spot. You get them?
No, didn't pin them. I think they're just hitting the minnow off the back end.
That's why I'm just using the minnow head.
Well, that's what I've got on there, is just the minnow head. But it's such a small treble hook on the bottom of that bait. There we go.
There you go.
First little perch of the year.
Can't go wrong with that.
Nope.
I think I got the minnow head stolen. Nope.
There, first one. Get him back through the ice. Kind of surprised he came up for that. It's kind of a big bait for a perch that small.
They're hungry.
Yeah, that's definitely a perch. There we go.
There you go.
Yeah, get out of that deucer. Second fish? Well, second fish for me. He's been freaking slaying them over here. Nice little perch. I'm back. Yeah.
There it is. Oh.
Doubled up. He's not bad size. Not a keeper. Look at how many lines followed that one fish.
Oh, I can imagine.
Almost to the surface. Ah. Oh, he found his way back into the ice before he could be seen on camera. Yeah, I wouldn't doubt that freaking bobber is just about to go crazy. That's a baby. Oh, maybe not.
Just a babe.
Ow. Got me with his gill plate though.
Don't you love it when they do that shit?
Oh yeah.
Oh dude.
There.
Do I have no? Grabbing it.
Yeah, that's my least favorite part about jigging a minnow like that is they can just grab the bottom.
I will say I like these ice armor coveralls they got. These are nice.
Hell yeah.
I don't think I'm too much worried about us going through.
No. I haven't heard a crack, a shift, or a pop at all.
And it's nice clear ice too.
Yeah, this ice is glass. Alright, we have found the most aggressive school of perch
This is stupid.
I think either of us have seen in a long time. It literally takes 2 seconds of dropping a bait and you're already getting hit like profusely.
I can't even get my second rod down.
And there's one.
I think you got my line. No? I think you got my line.
Might just switch over holes. Your graph isn't really... Hey, I want my... Give me my soft plastic back, thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, I heard drag pull on that one.
Yeah.
Soft.
Slowly.
God damn it. I want my soft plastic back. Give it.
This minnow is just getting trashed.
Why do you want that soft plastic so bad?
Because it's just soft plastic, obviously.
And now it's mine again. Bye.
I'm just fishing one rod at the moment now.
Yeah, that's what has to happen. I'm gonna just send a bare jig down. We'll see what happens.
Watch this.
See if I even have to waste any soft plastics here.
They're just aggressive.
And come up just a little bit. I'm getting little nibbles. Oh, that's a better perch. I'll show you guys what.
There's bigger ones in here. There's 13s in here. I know there is. I think it's going to be a game of weeding through them.
Okay, they did say they want fucking more than just a soft plastic. Or more than just a jig head. Yeah, I think you can turn that down a little bit.
It's getting warm. Lots of my air vents open. Yours is open. Crank the window a little bit.
I wish these side windows open like they do on an Eskimo.
Yes, I do wish they did.
And watch this, watch this. Oh, gotta make it in the hole first. You gotta find the hole and then it's gotta be the right hole. And
That's
fuck.
what she said.
Yeah.
Fuck, you and I are gonna have to go ice fishing more this season.
Yeah.
This is stupid.
Oh, I think he might have come off. He did. Hmm. There we go.
I heard that one.
Yeah, he might be a little. He feels a little bit bigger. Slowly but surely. And if I sound like I'm dying over the camera, that's because I am. You don't gotta worry about that.
If you die, I get all your fishing gear.
I don't know if that's how that works.
Oh.
If I die, I get.
Dude, I didn't even make it all the way down.
If I die, I get buried with my fishing gear.
No, I want your auger.
Why do you want why the auger out of everything? I've got like a really nice ass boat.
Because I already have an Alumacraft. Don't get me wrong, Rangers are nice, but yours is more of like a bass boat.
Oh, it definitely is a bass boat.
I like my walleye boats.
You can fish well out of a bass boat. Probably better than you can fish.
Eh. I like my iPilot on my trolling motors.
Yeah, you can get iPilot motor.
This minnow's just dead at this point.
Yeah, I mean, they're not really requiring much to bite. I can say that.
They're just hungry.
I mean, that one's probably 8.5. And it's funny because they're fat, too. It's not even like they're not eating. They're just really good and schooled up.
Right place, right time, I think. Oh, he didn't go in.
No, he'll find a way.
There you go.
You gotta make that connection.
Dude, I'm just gonna fucking try sight fishing these things.
I wonder if you could. Can you see?
Oh my god!
You can see it? Oh. Unfreaking believable.
Dude, get it! Stand over your hole.
Hold on. I'm gonna switch baits here real quick to like a pop glide or something.
Hey, I got one though.
Unbelievable.
Okay, I gotta try this again. There you go. Good sit by your knife.
Get it down to the bottom. Start pulling it up. Start pulling it up.
I'm trying to leech
Getting
flutter
followed.
spoon. I can never catch shit on these things.
Oh, he missed it. I got like 2 more right there. Oh, come on, go for it again. They followed up, he swung at it twice, missed twice, then quit. What a bitch.
I see the perch down. That's a big perch. There's one big perch down there. Called him back up.
Dude, if this water was as clear as Devil's, I'd be losing my shit right now.
It gets clearer throughout the winter.
Oh, I bet it does.
Middle of winter, you come out here, you can see straight down in 14 feet of water. Bigger?
Yeah, it has to be. Oh, a little bit. Not.
Chasing the ripping rap. I think I just saw a fucking bluegill.
Up at the top?
I'm looking straight down. God, you're gonna scare them all away.
You think so, but they're not even close to phased.
There is a little bit better. Okay, they're getting there. You're just looking straight down the hole now, aren't you?
Yeah, trying to. You're gonna scare them all away. It gets bit. I don't think it's gonna catch anything, but I'm more than willing to try it.
It can't hurt.
On that big ass rod too. Oh god.
I'm just having fun.
At least I got a good amount of fluorocarbon on here. Ah, that's cold. I could tell because my hand stuck to it. I can guarantee you they're gonna follow.
I will laugh if they hit it.
I just watched 2 of them try to strike at it. 3, 4, 5. The problem is they're just not big enough to hit. Like, I don't even think they could get the hook in their mouth if they wanted. Stupid. I just had to move it fast enough to where he had no other choice but to commit to eating it. They're gonna get scared of my bait. They're gonna think we're releasing more perch than we're catching.
Start bringing a bunch of these up to the fucking coolie pond.
No, unfortunately, I think we want a bigger strain out there.
I mean, we could just go feed the pike.
Well, yeah, those pike do need some size to them. There are a lot of them, but I haven't caught a big one yet.
They're skinny, is what they are.
I have not caught a long one yet either. Like, nothing over 30 inches. Well, nothing over 40 for sure. I think I've caught a couple over 30.
I can hear it down there.
I know. These things, I have its sister right there, and they're fucking wild. I've tried to use them for walleye. I actually think I caught a walleye on one of them.
I believe it.
What do you got down there?
Dinner belt.
I'm surprised. I'm honestly surprised
No.
it took you that long to catch one on the dinner bell.
Oh, it didn't. I just sat back down. I was catching them on the dinner bell before I went.
Quit trying to stab me with your gill plates and my own hooks.
It'd be slightly appreciated.
Yeah, it's just ever so slightly.
Next up.
I think you should try this guy right here. Actually.
I got something on the oh. Yeah, you first. I don't think my rod can take that.
I think your rod, maybe not that rod, but you definitely have a rod that can take that. Alright, so For you guys, it's been about 0.0 seconds, and for us, it's been about 4, maybe 5 hours.
Hours, 8, 10.
Yeah, and about a couple hundred perch, which may not sound like a bad thing, but we only just now finally are coming into a nice school of keepers that are biting at night, or biting right before dark here. So, I'll turn you guys back on and see if we can't get any good footage. Hopefully, we can find a walleye in this school.
The old buckshot spoon.
Yeah, I think something that rattles is definitely going to be important here in about 30 minutes.
I'd play music, but I don't want to get copyrighted. I don't want you to get copyrighted.
Yeah, I don't ever play music while I'm fishing. I never even thought about that.
Oh shit, Eric!
Whatever that is, it's hooked up.
You're just an itty bitty baby.
Yeah. See, this is the type of perch we've been running through all day long. And the type of perch that we have outside are the ones that we need, which are like 10 plus. For sure 9.5 plus. 10 plus.
I think that one I got was good size.
Yeah. You're getting hit on your bobber. Perfect.
That would explain it. There you go.
Yeah, I don't really think so. Yeah, he's not bad.
Somewhat.
That's cheating. You never told me about that earlier?
What?
That whole thing comes out?
Yeah.
I never even...
Who needs a minnow scoop when you got the whole fucking basket?
Unbelievable.
It's nice, isn't it? Oh, that might be something nicer.
What?
That.
Yeah. God, that's a good perch, but you got literally everything in that. You got your camera, you got my...
Got him. I got him.
Sweet. Oh, also your bobber doesn't have a minnow anymore. I can see it on the camera.
Appreciate that.
See, now that is the type of perch we're looking for.
We got your line too.
Yeah, I would just let them all go, and maybe they'll.
Yours.
Yeah, maybe they'll all just drop right. You know what I mean? Yeah, mine dropped all right.
Oh.
Show that fucker off.
That's like perfect eating size perch.
Hell yeah. It'll make good perch sandwiches. I think even though your bobber doesn't have anything on it, it might be getting pulled or something's going on.
No, I don't know.
You do?
I think.
No, I don't think so.
What in the hell am I catching?
The ice? The ice right there.
Oh, yep. Why are there fucking geese though when everything's frozen?
Snow geese.
Those aren't snow, those are otters.
Kind of more of a pun.
Oh. Get him?
I don't know. Yes. I don't know what he is though. Walleye.
Hey, it's a start. I think there's more down there.
I think there is too. He is not very big.
Oh, you must have your line.
Yep, I do. Okay. Buddy, I need you to let go of that out of your teeth. Would be fairly decent of you.
I think Jigging Rat's still doing it.
Beautiful little walleye. Get him underneath. Get him back in the hole.
Oh, wrong hole.
Or is that the right hole? Wink, wink, nudge, nudge.